our cosmic understanding is shattered? What if the ultimate redefinition awaits in the darkest places? What if black holes aren't singularities, but the cradle of advanced alien empires? We missed the universe's most unsettling truth. For eons, humanity has gazed at the stars, pondering the ultimate question: are we alone? Our search for extraterrestrial life has predominantly focused on exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant suns, searching for liquid water, breathable atmospheres, and the telltale signs of biological activity. We scan the cosmos with powerful radio telescopes, hoping to catch a whisper from a civilization much like our own, or perhaps one far more advanced, signaling their presence across unimaginable distances. But what if our understanding of life, and indeed the very fabric of existence, is far too limited? What if the most profound secrets of alien intelligence aren't hidden on a lush, Earth-like world, but in the most extreme, enigmatic objects in the universe: black holes? This isn't merely science fiction anymore. It's a compelling thought experiment that pushes the very boundaries of theoretical physics and biology, forcing us to reconsider fundamental assumptions. Black holes are cosmic behemoths, regions of space-time where gravity is so incredibly intense that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses a boundary known as the event horizon. They are often depicted as cosmic devourers, crushing everything in their path into an infinitely dense singularity at their core. To us, they represent the ultimate cosmic prison, a place where the familiar laws of physics as we know them seem to utterly break down, leading to conditions unimaginable to human experience. But what if, within these gravitational wells, shielded from the chaos and radiation of the outside universe, an entirely different form of life, an unimaginable intelligence, has found a way not just to survive, but to profoundly thrive? This radical idea challenges everything we think we know about life, intelligence, and the fundamental nature of the universe itself, opening up a realm of astonishing possibilities.
Let's first confront the immense, seemingly insurmountable challenges. From our current understanding, the interior of a black hole is hostile beyond any human comprehension. Any object approaching the event horizon would be stretched and torn apart by the extreme tidal forces, a gruesome cosmic phenomenon aptly known as spaghettification, turning matter into long, thin strands. Beyond the event horizon, all paths inexorably lead to the singularity, a point of seemingly infinite density where space and time cease to have their conventional meaning, collapsing into an unknown state. Even without direct entry, black holes slowly evaporate over cosmic timescales through Hawking radiation, a quantum process that still represents a deadly, energy-sapping environment. So how could life, in any conceivable form, possibly exist or evolve here? This is precisely where the realm of speculative physics and quantum gravity enters the fray. Some cutting-edge theories suggest that what we perceive as a singularity might not be an infinitely dense point at all, but rather a Planck star, a theoretical compact object held up by quantum effects, or even a gateway to another universe entirely, a concept as mind-bending as the black hole itself. The notorious information paradox, for instance, fiercely debates what truly happens to the information of objects consumed by a black hole. Does it truly vanish, violating fundamental laws of physics and the conservation of information? Or is it preserved, perhaps encoded at the event horizon, or within the black hole's unfathomable depths? If information persists in some coherent form, could it then form the basis for extraordinarily complex structures, or even consciousness itself evolving under these extreme conditions? Could black holes be the ultimate cosmic hard drives, preserving entire civilizations or vast amounts of data for eons, far outlasting the stars? Perhaps life within a black hole isn't carbon-based or even energy-based as we conventionally conceive it, but rather a unique configuration of space-time itself, or exotic particles unknown to our current understanding of physics. These wouldn't be living organisms in a biological sense, but highly organized, self-sustaining systems operating under an entirely different, perhaps alien, set of physical laws. Imagine a civilization so advanced that it has mastered the very fabric of space-time. Instead of seeking resources on planets,
They might harness the gargantuan energy output of a black hole's accretion disk, or even extract energy directly from the space-time curvature itself. Picture Kugelblitzes, black holes formed not from matter, but from light itself, as potential cosmic engines for such beings, or perhaps even their dwelling places. Perhaps these aren't biological entities at all, but highly complex, self-organizing systems of pure energy or information. They might exist as sentient patterns within the gravitational field, or as beings composed of fundamental particles that can withstand and manipulate the extreme forces within. Consider the possibility of civilizations that have engineered their existence to thrive within these cosmic anomalies. They might not perceive time and space as we do. For them, the singularity could be a realm of infinite possibilities, or the event horizon a protective barrier. They could be manipulating the space-time geometry to create stable pockets, perhaps even entire pocket universes within the black hole's interior. If black holes can be gateways to other dimensions or universes, as some theories suggest, then an advanced civilization might not just live in them, but utilize them as intergalactic highways or cosmic data centers. Their existence might be entirely computational, their consciousness residing in the information processed by the black hole itself, making them immortal and supremely powerful observers of the cosmos. They would be masters of gravity, time, and perhaps even the very laws of physics.
If such extraordinary entities do exist, how could we ever hope to detect them? Their presence might manifest not through conventional radio signals, which would be trapped by the event horizon, but through subtle yet unexplained gravitational wave patterns, or anomalous energy signatures unlike anything we've ever observed in the cosmos. Our current detection methods and astronomical instruments are predominantly designed to find life similar to our own, or at least operating within familiar physical parameters and accessible regions of spacetime. To find black hole aliens, we would undoubtedly need entirely new paradigms of observation, perhaps even entirely new branches of physics and engineering to even begin to perceive them. The implications of discovering life or intelligence thriving within black holes would be nothing short of utterly revolutionary. It would profoundly shatter our anthropocentric view of life, forcing us to fundamentally redefine what it means to be alive, what constitutes consciousness, and what environments are truly habitable across the universe. It would suggest that the universe is far stranger, far more diverse, and infinitely more imaginative than our wildest, most fantastical dreams could ever conjure. Such a discovery would also highlight the immense limitations of our current scientific understanding, urging us to push further, to question deeper, and to explore beyond the comfortable confines of known physics and conventional thought. The search for life within black holes isn't just about finding aliens. It's about expanding the very frontiers of human knowledge, challenging our perceptions of reality, and reminding us that the cosmos still holds secrets so profound they await only our imagination and daring inquiry to be unveiled. The universe continues to whisper its mysteries across the vast emptiness, and perhaps some of its most extraordinary stories are unfolding in the very heart of cosmic darkness.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos.